These two machines came from the exact same manufacturer, but the smaller machine is a fraction of the price of what the larger machine is. But after a closer look, I found something I did not believe. And that was that the paint and the finish and the prep on the cheaper machine exceeded that of the more expensive machine. And on closer look, I've already got rust coming through without an hour's worth of work on it. So I contacted the manufacturer, told them what happened, and that surprised me as well. So before we get started, let me be clear. I like this machine, the NME06. In fact, I like it so much that I'm purchasing 2 more of these. One for resale, to see how that goes, and one for rental purposes, which will be videos on. So this isn't a bash on Nuoman, okay? In fact, it was the quality of this compared to the other machine which made the whole thing confusing. So there's a big price disparity between the two of these. This machine, our resale is gonna come in over $4,000, and the other machine, all told, is gonna be $8,000. And there's a huge difference between, obviously, the size and a lot of the features. This is a small machine, gas-powered, no auxiliary hydraulics, and this machine is diesel-powered, twice the size, auxiliary hydraulics, piston pump. So mechanically, they're not even close. But that is why this whole thing has been so strange in terms of the fit and finish and the quality, or I perceive the quality between the two of these machines. And let me show you some of what I mean. So let's start with the welds on the small machine. I believe this was probably robotically welded. These are nice welds on the boom. The other machine, these welds aren't bad, but we could see you got a gap here. This was definitely welded by hand. There's some spatter here and there. So that's one of the first things I noticed. Then let's talk about the paint. The paint and the finish on this is nice and smooth. It's definitely professionally painted. I have not been able to find any rust anywhere on this boom or anywhere else. Now let's compare it to here. We've got rust coming through here. It's coming through down in here. We've got it here as well. And then as we get inside, the inside here of the boom, and that's just on the boom. When we look at the fit and finish and the rest of the prep on the small machine, this is all done very nicely. There is no rust anywhere. Even on the cast iron weight here. Here we can see the cast iron weight is already starting to rust. I've got rust on the roll bar. We got poor weld penetration there. We've got rust over here. So for the vastly different price between these two, I would have expected the exact opposite. So the question begs, how can the same manufacturer build 2 different machines to 2 exact different standards? I don't know for sure, but I'm gonna say there's probably a lot of possibilities. One, different subcontractors, perhaps different manufacturing plant, different paint processes, robotics versus no robotics for some of the welding, maybe even some of the painting. I don't know. So I think this is one of the things that you guys should understand as I'm going through the process myself and I'm understanding it. And that is, even with the same manufacturer, there can be vastly different quality issues, whether it's mechanical or in this case, it's physical, which led me to what I did next. And that was I reached out to my rep from Nuoman, and this is where things started to get interesting, as I'll show you. So here is the uploaded conversation in WhatsApp with my rep. I sent the pictures that you saw of some of the rusted spots, and I was surprised. If you read it or reverse to read it, you'll see exactly what it was that they said that they would do. So obviously I would prefer that there were no problems with the machine at all. And offering to pay for the repair doesn't erase the quality control issues, but it does show us that the manufacturer, or how the manufacturer responds to a problem such as this. So follow me for the next video as we see whether Nuoman makes good on their claims and pay for the paint repair. We will get to the body shop, go through the process, see how they evaluate what was done, and see if my reimbursement is what happens. Stay tuned and subscribe. Thanks as always. See you on the next video.